And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you my English pronunciation, right? Broadcasting you on YouTube. Happy Monday, everybody. This is Forex Trading Course 101. And remember, what we're trying to do here are the three pillars. Pillar number one is the strategy and or a system. We are trying to build a strategy and or a system with these modules here on the left. Basic module, beginner module, intermediate module, advanced module. Then we're trying to learn and understand how risk management works and how our risk management decisions are going to affect our strategy and or our system. And the big one, we're trying to learn and understand how psychology is going to affect our decisions when it comes to risk management and strategy or system execution, right? Hello SL, how are you? And every time when we are over a module, everybody, we have the Forex Trading Week where we are trying to implement what we have learned in theory into the live markets. Okay? Talking about psychology, what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner trader always say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And this is a quote from Mark Douglas. I have my own quote here on the left. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Right? When you lose and you lose again, and you lose again and you lose again, right? And finally the setup comes along, don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Follow the rules, follow the strategy, obey the rules, follow the concepts, you know. And remember everybody, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. That being said, everybody, let's jump to the charts and type in the chat, everybody, what is your idea, what currency pairs do you want to check? And let's see from the past week, right? Position, we were shorting NZD CAD, so let's open NZD CAD. Oh, we have it here. And let's see, NZD CAD, who was shorting the market? NZD CAD. This was MHB stop loss going up, not this one. This is from the past week, right? 90% of beginner traders lose money not because of the wrong direction, because of the wrong timing. Should we go long or short? You know, wrong timing. Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. NZD CAD monthly chart, weekly, 2-hour chart. Why is the market going against us? We learned about this, right? We entered prematurely, so out, 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 stop loss, stop loss. Oh, SL shorted the market and MHB shorted the market, so we are still here, right? MHB shorted the market and SL shorted the market, great. Okay, everybody. So, Forex Trading Week, we are trying to implement what we have learned so far. What currency pair do you want to check? Everybody? And remember, first comes, first is served. Okay? Tari was asking going long, right? Tari was asking about going long. This is from Thursday. Is it wrong that I would enter the long trade knowing that the market has a 75% confirmed up market wave on the 1-hour chart? And the answer was no. So how is going down here? Euro AUD daily chart, right? We have a down retracement. So the market is still falling. Let's see if the market is going to respect these lows, right? Looks like a strong level of support, right? Okay everybody, I'm just going to go from the, in the meantime, remember, first comes, first is served, okay? Let's open AUD CAD. AUD CAD is the first in line, right? AUD CAD, one more, AUD CAD. And not to make too much confusion, NZD CADs are going to be here, NZD CAD here, Euro AUD is going to be here, Euro AUD here, Euro AUD here, NZD CAD down here, NZD CAD. And finally we have the AUD CAD monthly chart, weekly chart. Sorry about this everybody. Weekly chart, daily chart, and finally the 2-hour chart, right? Okay, let's compress the chart. AUD CAD monthly chart, right? So what did we learn so far? We learned that the market is behaving and it's moving up and down with the monthly bands. Just let me check the settings. Chart, GMT, okay. So this is the GMT chart, and we have the upper band and we have the lower band, right? And what else did we learn? We learned about the market wave. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Looks like a retracement, right? Looks like a retracement. So question, what should we do? Long or short? Long, short term, short, short term. So from the monthly chart, right? Monthly chart, long or short? Next question, long term or short term? Monthly, long or short, long term or short term? What would you say everybody? Should we go short? Should we go long? Should we go long term? Should we go long short term? And remember everybody, what you are learning the mindset, right? How to think as a beginner trader. Oh, but I want to think like a professional. Step by step. Step by step. You cannot jump this one. This is the foundation. What is the market doing right now? Which is the monthly candle. Okay everybody, AUD CAD, what do you want to do? Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? Do you want to go long term? Do you want to go long short term? Do you want to short term, or do you want to short long term? Or do you want to enter right now based on what is the short long term? Okay, so short right now. And where is the stop loss going to go? Everybody, Zuelio said short long term. Okay, cool. Where is the stop loss going to go? Remember, there is no right or wrong. What do you think? Where do you want to put the stop loss? You can say above the most recent high, you can say above the relevant high, you can say above the monthly bands. So if you want to short the market right now, where should the stop loss go? Should the stop loss go up in here? And let's color code this in red, right? Shorting the market, where should the stop loss go? Or should the stop loss go above here? Or should the stop loss go somewhere in here? What do you think? Stop loss number 1, stop loss number 2, or stop loss number 3? SL, do you agree with Zuelius? You want to short the market? Everybody, you know, right? Wait for the next, but we're on the monthly. We want to make some money, right? We want to make some pips and money. And we are on the monthly. Short, long term, long, short term. Open trader, thank you very much. No, you are not wrong, Zuelius NSL. No, you are not wrong, but you know, if we are going to wait for the monthly chart to position itself, then you know, how can we live from the market? Okay, so the strategy, right? This is the stop loss. But in the meantime, number two. Better look for lower time frame, step by step. The monthly is the grandfather. So the short is okay. Now going long, where should the stop loss go? Going long, where should the stop loss go? Should the stop loss go down here, or should the stop loss go down here? Which one? The most recent low, which is not confirmed yet, and something is happening in the market. My Fibo and Ichi are getting crazy, you know. Something's happening in the markets. They are always there. So going long, everybody, what do you think? Long on long term and short on short term. Tari, no sir. The monthly bands. Tari, no sir. Long term is short. Why is that? The market is making lower lows, lower highs. Can you see, Tari? And everybody else who are thinking long term? Long term, the market is down. We are in a downtrend, down market structure, down relevant highs and lows. Long term is short. Tari, do we agree on this? This is the why. This is the why. In short term, we need to look at the lower time. We are going to look at the lower time frames, everybody. But we need to make sense from the monthly first. It doesn't matter if you are a swing trader, day trader, intraday trader, scalper. Okay. Tari, do we agree that it's short long term? Look at the yellow lines. Okay, now if you want to go long short term, where should the stop loss go? Yes, buy is down, okay. Open trader and everybody else, what do you think? Going long, which one is going to be? Then yes, we're going to move on the next charts, right? So is the first stop loss, or do we prefer the second stop loss? Going long short term. Remember everybody, don't be shy. There is no right or wrong. We are here to learn. We are here to make sense out of the market. We are trying to learn how this market behaves, you know. And something's happening again. Fibonacci are crazy. Barking. Stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2, everybody? Going long short term. Open trader number 1. Okay, great. Number 1. Okay, great. So we are on the weekly chart, right? We're on the weekly chart. Something is happening, you know. Okay. Now, here is the question, right? Going long short term right now, or should we wait for some? This is now the weekly chart. You know, this is the weekly chart. First stop loss number 1. Okay. So going long short term, we have the counter trend line break, right? We have the counter trend line break, and we have the, we didn't learn yet, we're going to learn the bullish candlestick formations, and this is the stop loss, right? From the monthly chart, and like this. Okay. And we're going to clone the chart and go on the daily chart and compress the chart. So here we go. This was the, we're going to draw another one smaller, like this, and black color. So yes, we have a counter trend line break, and from the daily standpoint, right, the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, start making higher highs, higher lows. You know, it's something like this, right? So let's make a poll, everybody. Who wants to enter the market right now and the stop loss goes down here, or do you want to have another stop loss? What's your idea? We want to go long, short term, right? So here is the next question, everybody. This is the mindset, okay? I want to go long short term. What pattern am I going to trade? Everybody, this is the mindset of the beginner trader or junior trader if you want. I want to go long short term. What pattern am I going to trade? Everybody. And talking about trend lines, right? We have only one. Talking about trend lines, we have an uptrend line here, short term, and then we have another uptrend line here, right? Everybody? What pattern are we going to trade? What do you think? And don't worry, but there is no right or wrong. We are here to What patterns can we trade, right? This is extremely important because of the stop loss. Every different pattern has a different stop loss. Long on short with stop under the higher low. Okay, higher low, higher low. So Tari says, okay, stop loss, higher low. There you go. This is Tari stop loss. Okay. 2 candles on the left, 2 candles on the right. Tari and open trader. Let's buy, yes? Can I enter the market? Can I enter the market? Tari says, okay, so Tari, if this is your trade, 1 versus 2, right? So clone, this is the risk, and if I'm going to risk 1, I want to make 2, right? It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult under the relevant higher low, lower high, higher low, relevant. So here. Now this changes something, let's say so. 1, 2, and clone, right? 1 and clone. There you go. Everybody, come on, do you want to enter the market? Just tell me, yes, enter, and where is the stop loss? Yes, long, okay. Buy market. Submit, there you go. We are in, and stop loss, right? Stop loss. Aud CAD, where is the stop loss position? Stop loss Aud CAD, ends CAD, stop loss. Add stop loss. And 000, submit. Okay, just quickly, I'm going to Aud CAD. And we were on the daily, right? So stop loss down here. Submit orders. Okay. We are here, we have the stop loss levels and everything. I would like to trade on 1 hour long. Okay, we are getting there. So this is Tari, okay? Tari, let's write down. Tari stop loss. Okay. And clone. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. Open trader, we are on the 1 hour chart. What stop loss do you want? Delete this one, delete this one. Stay out, riskier to go long. Well, yes and no, right? The market's making higher highs, higher lows. Zuelius and everybody else, you must learn something. You cannot stay out on the monthly and the weekly. I mean, not that you cannot, you can, right? But if you choose, and it comes down to decisions, oh, I'm going to trade the original Fibonacci from the daily chart, or I'm going to trade the structure from the weekly. How can you live from the market? Right? If you don't see, or if you don't understand, then this is okay. When there is a quote, when in doubt, stay out. But talking about risk, you know, We are clear, it's a short-term trade, you know, we are going long short-term. Open trader, what stop loss do you want? So here is the trick, everybody. The same question applies to every time frame. I'm going long, yes, okay. What pattern am I going to trade on the 1 hour chart? Right? So what do we have here? We have the market wave, extension, retracement, extension, and then we have the short-term trend. Can we really live from them? Yes, why not? Not tomorrow, of course. It's going to take some time. It's going to take you a few years in order to learn. Okay, you need to learn. This is basic stuff. If you ask me, go to the Forex course 101, and then if you're ready, go to the Forex course 202. And if you would listen and model some professional traders, then the answer is why not? Sure. Can we really live from the market? Why not? Right, SL? Why not? So, open trader, what pattern are we trading? Are you long on the structure, up market wave? Are you long on the short-term trend? What are you long on? Everybody, there is no right or wrong. What else can we do? Well, we can draw the aggressive or medium-term trend line, right? Something like this. Something like this. If market passed the last relevant high, lower high, go long. Go long, pattern, short term, stop loss. Go long, pattern, short term, stop loss last, higher low. Okay. Open trader, are you here? We are waiting for the answer. Where do you want the stop loss? So this is values here, buy stop, right? Buy stop, and stop loss is going to be last lower high. So this is going to be, we're going to and 9500, right? 9525 something, 27 something, 28, 29, 3. Okay, Zuelius, you are in. We have your floating order, buy stop, and the stop loss. Okay, so this is Zuelius. If the market is going to break, we have this Zuelius buy stop order up in here. Okay, looks like open trader is not here. Okay, everybody, so we are done, right? Going long. This is AUD CAD 1 hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. Zuelius has a buy stop order, and Tari already entered the market. And just before we move to another currency pair, we would like to check Tari monthly chart, talking about, okay, so yeah, you can, the market can roll up, right? We are not going to break any structure. Okay, so we are okay. Monthly, weekly, daily, right? There you go. This is values here, buy stop order, and this is values, stop loss, clone, whoops, clone, and stop loss, values, stop loss, if buy. There you go. Anybody else that wants to go long or short right now? Nobody. Okay, let's move on the next one, right? So who is next? What is next in line? Let me see here. AUD CAD, AUD CHF. This is an interesting one. AUD CHF, AUD CHF, AUD. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. AUD CHF monthly chart. Okay, everybody, this is AUD CHF monthly chart. Same questions. This is the upper band, this is the lower band. Long or short? This is an easy one, right? Long or short? Long, long term, short, short term, short, long term. Long, long term. What do you want to do, everybody? And remember, don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. And open chat, let me see the comments, everybody. AUD CHF, do you want to go long, do you want to go short? Those are the bands, right? And talking about the market, what is the market doing right now, right? So what to do, long term. Okay, great. Long term, where should the stop loss go? Here, this is one. And or down in here. Long term. Question, everybody, long term. Question, why not short term? Long term, it's a no-brainer, right? Long term, it's okay. Why not long short term too? Everybody? If you're an intraday trader, if you're a day trader, or if you're a scalper, you are not going to go long term, are you? You are going to what it's called short term trade. Stop loss at the band, okay? Teacher Zuelius, I don't have enough capital to put the stop loss on the band. I have $100 in my account. If I put the stop loss on the band, I'm going to risk 50% of my account, or 70% of my account, or 30% of my account. Then what? And everybody, long term, it's okay. We learned about the long term direction, the long term bias. What about going long short term? Question: if the market is going to go long term, don't you think that the market is going to go long short term too? Everybody? There is no right or wrong, we are here to think together. If the market is going to go long term, which is okay, isn't the market going to go long short term too? What do you think? Yes, long short term too, stop loss number 1, long short term trade with the stop loss candlestick formation, great. Okay, so we agreed with this. This is not a low yet, right? And clone the chart, let's go on the weekly. Okay, now this is the weekly chart. Anybody, do you want to jump into the market right now? This is the weekly chart. Who in here wants to go long, everybody? What do we have here? What we have learned so far? We have extension and we have the first retracement, right? Okay, now don't get all excited, everybody, you know. Calm down. What pattern do you want to go long on? Sorry for my English, everybody. What pattern do you want to go long on? Because if you want to go long on the extension, retracement extension, this is your stop loss. Nothing wrong, you need to check your capital. How much in percentage are you going to risk on this trade? Is it 0.5%, is it 1%, or is 25-45%? What pattern do you want to go long on? And if the weekly chart is not okay, if the weekly chart doesn't suit you, everybody, let's go on the daily, right? And if the daily doesn't suit you, let's go on the 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour chart. And if those charts doesn't suit you, then we go on the 15-minute chart. Tari, do you want to go in on the weekly, daily, or what time frame? Zuelius too. SL, you are quiet. Open trader, no, I don't know if you are here still. Let's go long on the weekly, let's go long on the daily. No, there is no right or wrong. You must understand something, everybody. You have traders going long and going short right now. The question is where is the greatest probability? You know? If you understand what is long term, if you understand what is short term, and if you understand how the market works, then you are going to win, most likely. And if you don't, then you are going to lose, most likely. Why most likely? Sometimes we get lucky. Simple as that. How do I know I got lucky? Well, answer the question, why did you enter there and there, you know? What reason did you follow, you know? Did the market tell you to enter or not? For now, daily, okay? So, clone chart daily, okay? Market wave still okay. Now, what is the market doing right now? Short-term trend, right? Short-term trend. High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, high, low, high, low, high, low. And then we have high, low, high. Okay? We have consolidation in the market. What time frame, what currency pair? So we are on the daily chart, Ari. What do you want? Where do you want to put your stop loss? This is the chart. Where should the stop loss go? Lower low, lower high, higher low. The change in the short-term trend. This is the picture. The market's making left story, right? What is the story? The market's making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And what is the story right now? The market's not making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, making higher highs, higher lows. So this is the mindset for a junior trader or a beginner trader. What pattern do you want to go long on? Daily ADCHF, I would not agree that we are in consolidation. Relevant higher low, okay. Buy market, Tari, you are in. Relevant higher low, this is your stop loss. Delete this one, and one more time. 6400 position, 6400, stop loss, add stop loss 640000, whatever. Okay, we are here, daily chart, and there you go. This is the stop loss. We are in. Now talking about profit, this is our risk and times 2, right? Clone, one more, and clone. There you go, risk reward ratio. We are going to risk 1. So this is out. We are long on the short-term uptrend. Okay. So answer, what pattern are we trading? We are long. We are long on the short-term uptrend / Tari. Okay, profit, stop loss. SL, I would not agree with you. Okay, Maybe I'm wrong, you know, it's just my opinion. You know, I would say that the market was sideways or consolidation like here, and the lower band like here. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, it's just my opinion. Okay, I would say that the market went out of consolidation when it broke down. Okay, but as I said, it's my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, you know. Okay, next one, Aud Jpy. Aud Jpy. So tell me, everybody, is difficult? Is it difficult? Is it that difficult to implement what we have learned so far? And to trade like this? What do you think? It's not that difficult, isn't it? It's just practice, 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 practice. Right? Now, Aud Jpy, it's a tricky one, talking about bias. Right? What would you say, everybody? What is Aud Jpy? Monthly chart. Long term or short long term still? I'm going to tell you it's tricky. And I'm going to show you why in just about a minute. Aud Jpy monthly chart, long or short? Long or short? And remember, there is no right or wrong. Need more practice, sure. But you're doing great. You entered 3 trades already, so I would say you're doing great, Ari. Everybody, Aud Jpy, we have 3 more minutes. Aud Jpy, long or short, long term, what would you say? Suru says short, long term. Short, long term, short, short, short. Great. Everybody, this is why it's tricky. Look at this low in here, where the market reacted. This is the tricky part. Okay, this is the tricky part. Still in lower high, lower low. Not anymore. But me personally, I'm in doubt because of this low here. Can you see the low, everybody, on the monthly chart? So the market already touched the low on the left when the market reacted. Okay. Anna says long, as we did not yet touch the lower band. This is true. This is true. The market didn't touch the lower band yet. But as you can see that the low from this time equals the low from the past, from 1994, and the market reacted. You know? So I'm not sure. Passion, what are you going to do now that you are not sure? Well, trade what you see. Trade what you see. Okay? When you are not sure, everybody, like this, the best advice I can give you, trade what you see. So, I'm not saying right or wrong, okay, but me personally, I am long term. Okay? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. You know, So yeah, the market didn't touch the lower band, but maybe the lower band it's like this, you know. So this level here, it's what I'm not so sure that the market is still short long term. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, it's my opinion, you know. So monthly chart, what else, right? We learned about extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, and the short-term trend, you know, it's like this. We have the first short-term up market wave, short-term, and you are not seeing, are you? You know, the market just made a higher high. Not relevant, but still a higher high. So, because I'm in doubt, everybody, what to do long term, I'm going to trade what I see. So, what I'm seeing right now is this. And this is a projection. Okay? And if I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose, period, end of story. But I'm not going to be short long term anymore unless the market is not going to show me on the monthly chart that it's reversed and it's making lower lows, lower highs. Okay, this is trade what you see. Okay, everybody, our time is up. Today is Monday. What is your next level, right? Next level number one, if you want to accelerate your learning curve and not waste 1 to 3 years in order for you to learn this stuff, you can ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101. If you think that you understand and if you have learned from the Forex course 101, you can learn and trade as a professional and learn the mindset and the hard set and ask for the Forex course 202. It's the next level, it's the next course. Remember